you're like me, you probably are very aware of the amount of precious time that we lose on a daily basis trying to negotiate meeting times with our coworkers. To solve that, I've installed a new application called Assistant.to. First, we'll click the Assistant.to icon in the bottom right-hand corner of the screen. That will take us to a new menu that shows us our Google Calendar as well as some event creation tools that we'll need. First, let's create a title for our meeting. Simply click and edit the text that's already shown. If needed, we can add a description that'll help others know a little bit more about the meeting. Use the location bar to let others know where the meeting will take place. Assistant.to will remember your recently used locations so you don't have to enter it from scratch every time. You can use the Invitees bar to automatically add other coworkers who aren't included in this email. If you click the first menu on the middle left of the screen, you'll see a drop-down where you can select which calendar you want this event to take place. Next, you can click to determine the meeting length from anywhere from 15 minutes to up to 8 hours. You can click here to include weekends if you like, or you can click here to reset any choices that you make once you start working down here. On the calendar, you'll need to select the dates and times in which you're available. You can click right or left to select a day and scroll up or down to select time. For this example, let's say I'm available to meet for 30 minutes on Monday, July 16th at 12 p.m. I'm also available Tuesday, July 17th at 1 p.m., 2 p.m., and 3:30. My schedule is also wide open on Friday the 20th from 12 until the end of the day. So I'm going to click and I'm going to drag to cover that area with the space that I'm available. Once I've made my selections, I can click Insert Times into email. Once that loads, the scheduling buttons will be applied to your email message. When you send this email out, the recipients will be able to click on each of these buttons to select which one of them works best for them. Once they do that, the event will automatically be created in both of your Google Calendars. You and the email recipients will both receive another email to let you know that the meeting has been scheduled. If you do not see the Assistant.to icon in the bottom right-hand corner of your composed menu, you can travel to www.assistant.to and click the Install Free for Gmail button to connect this to your account.